Good morning, students. Now we will solve fifth problem from the numericals of textbook. See the fifth problem. P and Q are partners. Their old profit sharing ratio is given 2:1. That is 2/3. Addition of 2 and 1 is 3. So 2/3. And of Q 1/3. Then in the problem condition is given that given to R 1/5 share which he acquires, 1/5 share which he acquires from P and Q, in 1:2, means Mr. R, which is the new partner in the business, is acquiring 1/5 share from P and Q in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2 means that is it is 1/3 and 2/3. It means Mr. R is getting 1/5 share. From this share, 1/3 amount will be given by P and 2/3 amount will be given by Q. So we will calculate P and Q's sacrifice first. So first sacrifice of P is equal to 1/3 of 1/5. So 1/5 into 1/3 is equal to 1/15. It is 1/15. Then we will calculate sacrifice of Q. 2/3 of 1/5. So 1/5 into 2/3, that is 1 2s are 2, 5 3s are 15. So it is 2/15. So P is sacrificing 1/15. Q is sacrificing 2/15. Now we will calculate new ratio of Mr. P. Therefore, new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice. Therefore, for P, we are calculating new ratio of Mr. P. So, old ratio of Mr. P is 2/3. 2/3 minus his sacrifice is 1/15. 1/15. So it will be 15 2s are 30 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 15 3s are 45. So is equal to 27/45. This will be the new ratio of Mr. P. Then we will calculate for Mr. Q new ratio. We have to deduct Q's sacrifice from his old ratio. Therefore, old ratio is 1/3 minus his Q's sacrifice is 2/15 is equal to 15 1s are 15 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 15 3s are 45 is equal to 9/45. So Mr. P's new ratio will be 27/45 and Mr. Q's new ratio will be 9/45. Now the new partner R is given 1/5 share. We have to make the denominator 45. Therefore, 5/9. So 1/9 is equal to 9/45. Therefore, new ratio of R after making the same denominator, it will be 9/45. Now we will write down the new ratio of three partners. So new ratio P, Q and R. New ratio of P 27/45 of Q 9 upon 45 of R 9 upon 45. So we will cancel the denominator and it will be 27 is to 9 is to 9. We can divide by 9. So the new profit sharing ratio between the three partners will be 3:1:1. Okay, this is the fifth problem in the textbook. Now we will solve the next problem. See the problem number 6 in your textbook, CBSE 12th textbook. Now we will solve that problem. So let us see the textbook. Here it is given A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:2. So we will write it down. A, B and C, old ratio as given in the problem. It is 3:2:2. 3:2:2. That is, it will be 3/7, 2/7 and 2/7. D is the new partner who is given 1/5 share. So D is given 1/5 share, 1/5 share, which he acquired in the ratio of 2:2:1 from A, B and C. Okay, so we will solve this example now. Old profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 3/7, 2/7 and 2/7. D is the new partner. He is getting 1/5 share from the business and his share he is acquiring in the ratio of 2:2:1 from A, B and C. So first we will calculate sacrifice of A, B and C. They are sacrificing in the ratio of 2:2:1. It means that is 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. Okay. Now we will calculate just like the last problem, A's sacrifice. A's sacrifice is equal to, we are calculating sacrifice of A. He is giving 2/5 share, 2/5 of 1/5. So 1/5 into 2/5 is equal to 2/25. Then B's sacrifice is equal to 2/5 of 1/5, that is 2/25, and C's sacrifice is equal to 1/5 of 1/5, so it will be 1/25. So A is sacrificing 2/25, B is sacrificing 2/25 and C is sacrificing 1/25 in this problem for the favor of D. Then we will calculate new ratio of Mr. A. So new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice. Therefore, for A, old ratio is 3/7 minus his sacrifice is 2/25 is equal to 25 3s are 75 minus 7 2s are 14 upon 225, and the answer will be 61 upon 225. So A's new ratio will be 61 upon 225. Now for B, old ratio minus sacrifice. So his old ratio is 2 upon 7 minus B's sacrifice is 2 upon 25 is equal to 25 2s are 50 minus 14 divided by 225 is equal to 36 upon 225. So A's new ratio was 61 upon 225 and B's ratio 36 upon 225. Now C's old ratio 2 upon 7 minus his sacrifice 1 upon 25 is equal to 25 2s are 50 minus 7 divided by 225. So it will be 43 upon 225. This will be the new ratio of C. And of D, D is getting 1/5 and we have to make the denominator 225. So 5 into 45, it is correct. So 5 into 45 and 1 into 45. Then the answer will be 45 upon 225. So D's new ratio, which was 1 upon 5, after making the denominator 225, it will be 45 upon 225. Therefore, new ratio of all the partners will be 61 upon 225 is to 36 upon 225 is to 43 upon 225 is to 45 upon 225. That is 61 is to 36 is to 43 is to 45. Okay. Now we will see the 9th example from the textbook, page number 168. Radha and Rukmini are partners and their old profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. So I will write it down here. Radha and Rukmini, their profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. And new partner Gopi has been admitted. Gopi admitted for Gopi admitted as a new partner, and it is given in the problem that Radha surrender 1/3 of her share in favor of Gopi. So Radha surrendered 1/3 of her share. Similarly, in the problem it is given that Rukmini surrendered 1/4 of her share. Rukmini surrender 1/4 of her share in favor of Gopi. It means 1/3 of Radha's share plus 1/4 of Rukmini's share will be Gopi's new profit sharing ratio. So we will calculate first Radha's sacrifice. Therefore, Radha's sacrifice is equal to 1/3 of her share. 1/3 of her share is equal to Radha's old share was 3:2. It means it is 3 upon 5. Radha's old share was 3 upon 5. and 1/3 of her share she is sacrificing. So 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 3, it will be 3 upon 15. Now Rukmini's sacrifice will be 1/4 of her share, therefore her share is 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 into 1/4, which will be 2 1s are 2, 5 4s are 20, 2 upon 20. So Radha's sacrifice is 3 upon 15. Rukmini's sacrifice is 2 upon 20. So for calculating Radha and Rukmini's new share, we have to deduct their sacrifice from their old ratio. So calculation of new ratio. First of Radha, old minus sacrifice. Her old ratio was 3 upon 5 minus her sacrifice 3 upon 15 is equal to 15 3s are 45 minus 15 upon 75 is equal to 30 upon 75. Rukmini, old minus sacrifice, old ratio 2 upon 5 minus sacrifice 2 upon 20 is equal to 22s are 40 minus 10 divided by 100 is equal to 30 upon 100. Now Gopi, the new partner, Gopi's new share means new ratio will be addition of Radha's sacrifice and Rukmini's sacrifice. So Radha's sacrifice 3 upon 15 plus Rukmini's sacrifice 2 upon 20 is equal to 60 plus 30 divided by 300. It will be 90 upon 300. Here Radha's new share 30 upon 75, Rukmini's new share 30 upon 100 and Gopi's new share will be 90 upon 300. So we will write it down here. 30 upon 75, 30 upon 100 and 90 upon 300. We have to make the denominator same. First we will make it short. 15 2s are 30, 15 5s are 75. It will be 3 upon 10 and it will be 3 3s are 9, 3 upon 10. So we will write it here. Two upon 5, 3 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. So we can make the denominator 10. So 4 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. It means 4 is to 3 is to 3. So new profit sharing ratio of Radha, Rukmini and Gopi will be 4 is to 3 is to 3.